Hey y'all! Did y'all miss these hands? Did y'all miss these hands? Did y'all miss freaking the hands? Spirit fingers. Hey y'all! Like, what's up? How y'all been? What's new? How are the kitties? Like, how's life treating ya? I missed y'all. Like, I was like, I can't wait to get back so that I could record. Like, I'm excited to see y'all. Even though I can't see y'all, but I'm excited to see y'all. Yay! So this is pretty much like a makeup video since I wasn't here last week. I just came back from Mexico. So yeah, this is pretty much like a makeup video from last week because I got paid last week. But then y'all are going to get another video next week because I get paid next week. So I do bi-weekly stuffings. So this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Budget with Taylor. Ding! Welcome to Budget with Taylor. So all right, let's just get right into it. It's gonna be a pretty quick video only because like I said, I get paid next week, so I didn't really do like nothing too crazy as far as stuffing. So yeah. So today we will be stuffing $161. Like I said, nothing too crazy. Now I don't know, like I know like as far as the like saving challenge Friday with BG now doing oops, I'm trying not to check the camera, with her now doing Farm Island. I don't know if I want to do Farm Island or just continue with Build a Farm. It's pretty much the same thing, but I don't know, so we'll see. So yeah, so let's just count this money and I will tell you about my trip. So we have 20, 40, 60. Oops, I forgot my calculator. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These bills are not billing. Like, I was really hoping to get some crisp bills, but unfortunately not. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40, and $1. Oops. So 161 compared to 161. So the math is mathing. The math is mathing, and we're moving on. Whew. All right. So about my trip, like my trip was great, guys. I had a lot of fun. I would definitely go back to Mexico. The resort that we stayed at was beautiful. I'm going to try to insert some clips. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. I definitely want to go back. I'm thinking, like my mom is thinking about like going in July for her birthday. So I don't know if I want to like go again, but definitely going back. It was so much fun. The water was like beautiful, like so beautiful. Like I'm gonna try to insert pictures. So I'm taking out all my, oops, I'm taking out all my receipts, y'all, like all my receipts. I really need to like scan these for Fetch. And my Fetch reward should be at the bottom. So these are all my change. And I know I have like change here, and it's a lot. So I do have a, oh gosh, I do have like a piggy bank. His name is Baloo. Baloo has been with me for a couple of years now. So yeah, I don't know. I might bring him on one day and just like show me like filling him up, because I have a lot of coins. But okay, I'm trying not to like shake the camera. But I'm not gonna take all the coins out, only because like I do use my coins. So there might be like me going to the vending machine and Just getting some drinks. I'm not in camera, I'm in frame. Mainly, I need to like, I just want to make sure it's flat. If it's flat, like I'm okay. So, I kind of want to get Blue. No, I'm gonna introduce Blue next week. I'm gonna bring him in next week. I might have to fast forward through all this, cause like, we'll see. That was my mother. But yeah, so I bring Blue in next week. Introduce y'all to him. He's so cute. So I'm gonna just put this aside. Like, I'm gonna just put this over there. All right, y'all, because this is not meant to be a long video. And I have my sticky note, so let's get to it. So today, as always, I'm shaking the camera. I will be stuffing my wallet. And I really need to make this over. But also what I'm going to start doing is rolling over my ones. So in gas, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have $14. Gas is going to get 25, but we're rolling over my ones. As I do have a ones savings challenge that I'm doing. I do that every year. I save all my ones. So that's going to go into that. And I would bring that on, but y'all, like, it's too big. It's too big. So at the end of the year, I'm going to count all of my ones. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. So gas now has 35, 20, 35. And thankfully I haven't been able to move my car in 2 weeks because I've pretty much been working remote. And then I went on vacation and now I'm back from vacation, but I'm still working remote. So there was no need for me to move my car. So I haven't really put gas in it, but that's that. So spending is going to get 25 and it's going to get 2 10s and a 5. Spending, y'all, these bills are not billing. Like they aren't. Like, these are some raggy bills. Like, raggedy. So raggedy. So when I get paid next week, hopefully I don't have to spend anything out of my wallet, but I just know my wallet needed to be stuffed because I didn't want to be like swiping my card. I didn't want to like swipe my card. So and honestly, my bills, I pay my bills like automatically, if that makes sense. So it's just like everything just like drafts out. I have everything like set. So this is pretty much just like leftover, and then like I leave a little bit in my bank account for like the saving challenges or things like just like little things that might come up. So I leave like $200 maybe like in my savings. I'll put like $200 in my savings, and my checkings I'll leave like probably like $150, just like to give me like some wiggle room, because again, you never know what might come up. Hope that makes sense, but if not, it makes sense to me, so that's what I do, and that's just what works for me for now. So eating out is going to get 35, a 20, a 10, and a 5. Oh, the resort. So y'all, like in Mexico, I really didn't spend any money in Mexico, so I really have like a good bit left over. However, y'all, I had to, when I came back, my fan in my room stopped working, and it stopped working like months ago. So I had like my old like college fan, so I've been using that, but now that like summer is starting to kick in, it's like now I'm really starting to feel the heat. So I had to like dip into my 100 envelope savings to get a new fan. So we are not at $700 anymore. We are now at $400, unfortunately, because I had to get a new fan. So yeah, so I'm really thinking, since this is like a new month, if I just want to like start all the saving challenges over, especially with like GB now doing Farm Island, and then me trying to get my saving challenge off the ground. So I don't know, we'll see, but that is going to be a separate video. So coffee is going to get 20, but we have some ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So $4 is being rolled over into my dollar savings challenge. And coffee is going to get 20. And that's just gonna get 2 tens. 2 tens. Groceries is gonna get 35. I still have grocery money left over from last time. So that's pretty much just roll over, and we're gonna keep that in there, and we're gonna get 35. Again, nothing too crazy, only because again I get paid next week. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So grocery has $50. Medicine is not getting stuff this week because that's pretty much like done. So medicine has 5, 6, 7. I'm just gonna leave that in there since it's not getting stuff technically. So I'm just gonna put that back. Giving has 5. It's not getting anything, so $5. And buffer is going to get $1. But buffer has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at this. This is disrespectful. So valuable, but disrespectful. Like, the disrespect. So buffer now has 10. And that's that for my wallet. Just gonna move you to the side. How many ones do we have all together? Are we rolling over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, that's a good, that's $8. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. I was gonna give myself like a crisper, is that a word? A crisper bill for the buffer. But no, I'm gonna try to spend that dollar to get it out because that's just disrespectful. So, yeah, so now we are stuffing my other binder, and y'all know I still have not made the binder as far as like aesthetics and what, like how I want each binder to look. I do have more binders on the way. And y'all, so also, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen by now, but I have officially posted my Etsy shop below. I am super nervous. I don't know why, but I don't know, I'm just nervous. So officially my Etsy shop is now listed below. It is in the link, probably in the bio, I don't know. But yeah, so I have other binders coming in, and when I do, I'll probably like switch like these binders out, like, and work with my binders, if that makes sense, because it's like I can't be selling stuff and then not promoting it. So I need to use my binders. As much as I love my like my 2 binders from the Aesthetic Dollar, yeah, I gotta promote my work. So I don't know, is that so? Well, no, I can try to like work both in. I don't know, we'll figure it out. So anyway, car maintenance, but again, this is mainly my car taxes, is because I have car taxes coming up. It's getting $5. I think it's coming up in July, so the bill will be due at the end of June. I don't know, but we definitely need to like start stuffing this a little bit heavier. So car maintenance now has 10. Travel, I am going to Charlotte at the end of the month. I am going to the Perry tour with Jackie Perry and Preston Perry. So they're going to be in Charlotte, so that's for travel. So we now have 10, 5, 10. I'm gonna get it together, y'all. I'm gonna make my binders the next time, other than this week. The next time y'all see my binders, I'm gonna have everything lined up for y'all. Everything. Everything's gonna look pretty and aestheticful. Dead Snowball has 5. It is also getting $5. You know, every little bit helps. Doesn't matter how much you stuff, just as long as you stuff, right? Right. And emergency savings is getting 5. So altogether, we have $100 in the bank. And this is also on my Etsy shop if you guys are interested in wanting to buy it. So my emergency saving now has 100, 5, 10. So we now have 110. And I'm thinking that like I want to start using saving trackers, but I don't know if I want to like start using saving trackers, not saving trackers, excuse me, like trackers like on the side just to like keep track like in a book, or if I want to like keep it in this. But knowing me, for the aesthetics, like I'll probably like just write it out on the side. All right, so that's that, y'all. That brings us to the end of my video. Again, this was a very short video. If you made it this far towards the end, thank you for your support. I'm gonna again like insert some clips of me, well not me, but like of the hotel in Mexico. And oh, I have pesos, y'all. I have pesos. So I took it to my bank and I was like, am I able to deposit this? And she was like, no, you have to take it to Bank of America, maybe they'll take it. And I'm like, bruh, really? So I didn't spend all the money that I had for Mexico. And it was like a $12 and like a 90 something fee to convert from like US dollars to pesos. And I just thought that was so crazy. So I did that. I did keep a couple of pesos as far as like souvenirs, but the other pesos is like, now it's just sitting there. So again, I don't know, I'll probably give it to my mom because like I said, she's planning on going to Mexico in July, but we'll definitely see. But at the same time, I do plan on going back. So yeah, so again, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Spirit.